Have you ever wondered why some things hold immense value yet cost next to nothing? Today, we'll explore how value isn't about price tags. It's about ideas, trust, and creativity. Let's dive into a world where the most valuable creations cost little. Our first category is ideas and intellectual property. A simple idea can spark a bestseller, breakthrough invention, or a revolutionary technology. Think of how a single thought can transform lives. Next, we have digital products. Ever bought an ebook or an online course? These can be created once and sold repeatedly. Their production costs are minimal. Imagine a profitable software application. It exists thanks to just lines of code, reaching millions without physical inventory. Now, consider brands. A logo might cost a few dollars, but the trust behind it? Priceless. Customers are loyal to brands with strong reputations. Next, let's talk about content. Videos, articles, and podcasts gain value by attracting audiences. What's more valuable than an engaged community? What about knowledge and skills? Learning something valuable often costs very little. Yet, mastering skills can lead to endless earning opportunities. Communities and networks create value, too. Bringing people together around an idea can yield incredible benefits. Let's explore a surprising question. Why pay thousands for knowledge easily copied? The answer lies in scarcity, trust, and demand. A unique perspective or solution can hold enormous value. It's not just about creating cheaply, it's about solving problems and genuinely wanting to help. How can you tap into this new economy? Look at your knowledge, creativity, or skills. They can become valuable assets, even with minimal investment. The tools you need? A laptop or smartphone is often all it takes. As we wrap up, it's crucial to understand that modern economies value creativity, leverage, and problem solving. The cost to create something doesn't define its worth. Sometimes, all it takes to create a valuable asset is an idea. Remember, the cost to create something is not the same as the value it can create. Sometimes, the most powerful asset you own begins as nothing more than an idea. Embrace your creativity and take the next step today. In this ever-evolving landscape, those who recognize the intrinsic value of their ideas are the ones who thrive. Consider the artists and innovators who have transformed mere thoughts into thriving movements. They understood that true wealth lies not in monetary exchanges but in the impact they create. By fostering connections and nurturing their talents, they have changed the world for the better, proving that ideas can drive progress and inspire generations. As we journey further, let's consider the role of collaboration in this equation. When like-minded individuals unite, they amplify each other's strengths, allowing for exponential growth. Whether through brainstorming sessions or shared projects, collaboration fosters innovation and translates ideas into reality, showcasing the power of collective creativity in our interconnected world. It's essential to recognize that every idea starts as a seed that requires nurturing. Take, for instance, the story of a small group of friends who transformed their collective passion for sustainable living into a thriving online community. They began by sharing tips on reducing waste, gradually building trust and engagement among followers. As their message resonated, they attracted attention from brands looking to partner, facilitating new opportunities and growth. Their journey illustrates how a simple idea, fueled by creativity and collaboration, can generate significant value, proving that the true cost lies in the commitment and dedication invested in that idea. The friends soon realized that their ideas could extend beyond digital content. They launched workshops to engage their audience further. This not only diversified their offerings but also deepened the connection with their community. As attendees shared experiences and feedback, the workshops evolved, becoming platforms for inspiration and shared learning. Each session infused new life into their mission, enabling participants to leave empowered, armed with practical strategies for sustainable living. In the spirit of this journey, let's turn our attention to another remarkable example. A young inventor who developed a simple app to streamline communication for local businesses. With minimal investment, he harnessed existing technology to solve a pressing issue, demonstrating that innovation doesn't always require vast resources. This app not only benefited countless entrepreneurs by saving them time but also fostered a community spirit, uniting business owners in their efforts to thrive. Such stories remind us that every solution holds the potential to create value far beyond its initial cost and showcases the transformative power of ingenuity. Continuing this theme of innovative thinking, we turn to everyday problems that can be solved with simple ideas. For instance, a couple in their neighborhood identified a lack of communication regarding local events and created a shared online calendar. By connecting residents and encouraging participation, they fostered community engagement and increased awareness, demonstrating that small initiatives can yield large-scale benefits. The ripple effect of their effort illustrated how the simplest solutions often hold the greatest potential for impact. As we conclude our exploration, it's clear that harnessing creativity and recognizing the value within ideas can lead to remarkable transformations. Each story we've discussed emphasizes that true worth often defies conventional monetary measures and instead stems from meaningful connections and innovative solutions. Embrace your potential, and let your ideas flourish.